this video, I'm going to be doing my first ever unboxing video. But before I start this video, if you haven't seen my channel before, I create content all about life and money. If that's something that you'd be interested in, please do consider subscribing. So let's get straight into the video. So yesterday, my new phone did arrive. I haven't opened it yet because I wanted to open it on camera, so let's get straight into that. If anyone is asking, it is a 128GB and it is in the pink colour. That is so satisfying. Oh my god, that's so cool. Look how pretty that is. But yeah, I will actually set it up in this video. What the phone that I had before is, it's an iPhone 11, and to be quite honest, I did only get this phone in February this year, but basically it had a bit of a malfunction and I think it would have cost kind of a similar price to actually get replaced, so I decided to just get an upgrade early. But I won't be upgrading early ever again because it was quite expensive to do so. But yeah, this is my iPhone 11 and this is my iPhone 13, so the cameras are obviously different. But I don't actually think there is much difference from the iPhone 13 to the 14. But yeah, let's set this up. But yeah, it also comes with the charging cable, but no actual charger port, and then there's the general information for Apple. It's satisfying. So let's turn this phone on, shall we? Let's just set up my new phone, shall we? English, United Kingdom. I'm going to set up my phone, but I thought I'd do it on my bed just because it's probably less likely to scratch it. I'm not going to do that, I'm going to set it up manually. I'll be back in just a moment. Just set up my Wi-Fi on here. And now it's just activating some stuff. Now I'm going to do my Face ID. I'm definitely actually going to be getting an A-case and a screen protector today, without a doubt, definitely 100%, because I don't want to drop this beauty of a phone. So I think I'm going to come back to you actually when my phone is all set up, so I'll see you in a little bit. Have my phone all set up, I think that'll be the end of this video, but I really do hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you have, please do remember to like, subscribe and comment, and hopefully I shall see you in the next video. Stay safe, bye for now.